Hello guys, welcome back to Silva Salvation channel. Today we're going to show you how to make a healthy dish.
Hello guys, welcome back to my video. Today we are making egg sauce with roasted plantain. These are the ingredients I'm using for the egg sauce.
First you have to slice all of your veggies into small pieces. Now you can start cracking your eggs into a small bowl. As soon as you're done, you can add a little pinch of salt and whisk. And make sure you whisk everything equally. Now you can start peeling your plantain. Make sure your plantain isn't too ripe. After you finish, add a little salt for the taste and add some oil for it to have a nice golden brown color at the end. Put the plantain inside the air fryer and let it air fry. Now, add a little oil inside a pan and fry the sliced veggies. After a while, you can start seasoning your veggies, but make sure you season them very light because we don't want it to be too salty. Use the same pan to fry your onions and chili. After a while, you can add your tomatoes that we have already sliced at the start. Once you notice your tomatoes start cooking, season them. The seasoning is always up to you. You can use any type of seasoning you like. Let it cook and then you can add the rest of the veggies that we have already fried before. Let it all cook for a while, and as it's cooking, you can add the beaten eggs inside. Make sure the stove isn't too hot because when it is, the egg and the sauce might stick on the pot. As it's cooking, keep stirring it slowly. This is how it's supposed to look like at the finishing result. Big pieces, it's not all shredded into small bits. Keep on checking your plantain, and if you see it has reached this color, you'll know that you're going the right way. So this is the finishing result. This is how it looks like. It's very healthy, it's yummy, it has veggies, it has eggs, it's full of proteins, it has a Nigerian side of it. It's very yummy. You have to try this out. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Write in the comment section down below for more videos. If you have any ideas for videos, please comment. Thanks for watching. See you next time and stay tuned for more. Bye!